Something that I hear my girlfriends say, something that I have felt the past little while, and something I've heard you guys say is that beauty has become a little overwhelming. There's always a new product, there's always a new launch, a new trend that we're supposed to try. While it's fun, believe me, I made a job out of it because it's one of my favorite things to do. At some point, we all recognize that we don't want more things. We just want the things that are right for us, things that feel like us, things that resonate organically for us. But the funny thing is that since I've tested so many things, I've really noticed, and I'm sure you guys can identify with this, the things that you constantly keep coming back for and constantly repurchasing or adding to your collection. So I thought it would be fun today to share with you some of my signature beauty pieces that have stood the test of time. I keep repurchasing, I wear every single day, things that just have become my signature and that make me feel really good. And make sure you stay with me to the end because I'm finally sharing a product category that I don't think I've ever talked about on YouTube. Today's video includes a partnership with one of my newfound loves, a jewelry line called Idyl. Jewelry is one of those things that actually has become a part of my signature. You know, if you've watched me for a long time, I have always worn layered necklaces, different types of earrings, bangles, rings. So jewelry is a big part of my signature identity. And that's what really drew me to Idyl. Also, I love that they are female powered, so they're a female driven company, and their pieces are designed to evolve with you. As your tastes change, you can add to the collection. I rarely take them off, and I actually just showered with them in, so they're my everyday staple now. One of the things that makes this line really unique, besides their ethically sourced lab-grown diamonds and they use all solid gold, is that their pieces are modular. So what I mean by modular is you have like just the little stud that you can get, but you also can add to your collection with different types of things that can go onto your stud. And you can see right here, there's little holes and that you can adjust how high this little U is or how long it is. You can also, and that's why when I have here, you can see this cuff I'm obsessed with. You actually hook it to the stud. So I can wear it without it or I can wear it with it. Basically, you can customize your piece and design it however you feel comfortable. This ear cuff is what really caught my attention. I saw a young lady on one of the platforms wearing something like this, and I thought to myself, I have got to have that. It has a little bit of edge, but keeps that sophistication. My stack is the Spark Cuff, and these are called Luna. Now let's move into the beauty pieces that have really stood the test of time for me. These skincare staples will not be a shock to you because they have been in my routine for close to probably 7 to 8 years. It is the Tatcha Camellia Cleansing Oil. I find it just to be the most superb cleansing oil I have ever used. And the Tatcha Essence. I love this product because it is super lightweight, very watery, so it layers under other skincare beautifully, as well as their How to Say 3 complex, which is a blend of algae and antioxidants and some other things for smoother, plumper, more hydrated, protected skin. I don't know if I'll not ever use this. The amount of bottles that I have bought of this should be studied. Next is my signature complexion products. This is the combination that I reach for every day that I want my skin to really look perfected, look like skin. It's what I have on today. And most of the time it's what I have on whenever you ask me, what are you wearing? It is the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. This is the First Step Illuminator that I use all over my skin. It gives that lit from within look. It was in my kit as a makeup artist. Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, again, another staple in my kit. And this does not leave my rotation. The moment I run out, I get another bottle. And then for me, the piece of resistance that again will not shock you because it has stood the test of time over 5 years is the Hourglass Finishing Powders. I use the first two, which is Dim Light and Ethereal Light. And I just blend them together like this. And finishing powders go right over everything. They add a blurring effect to the makeup, and which is a little bit of setting. It's one of those makeup artist secrets that I don't think a lot of makeup artists share, but I'm pretty sure this is in most people's kits because it was in mine. I probably get asked once or twice a week, just out in the general public, what is that lipstick you have on? This is my go-to lip combo. This is the Makeup Forever pencil in 606. Just gonna line this lip right here. I love this nude because it doesn't wash you out. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I just got this out of my purse. It's just such a beautiful, universal nude lip. Okay, finally, the product that I promised you that I'd be talking about at the end that I've never ever mentioned, I don't think in my 13 years on YouTube, is my signature scent. I have two fragrance oils. I believe it's called Cycle or Cycler. And one is more vanilla and one is more a little musky. I literally put them together, put them on my wrists, back of my ears. And these scents are not super strong when you first put them on, but they stay on all day long. And actually, it's one of those things like, you know, when you enter a room or somebody enters in a room and then they leave and you're like, oh my gosh, they smelled so good. That's what I've been told when I wear these. Thank you all so much for being here. I would love to hear your signature scents and products and all of that good stuff. Everything will be linked in the description box below if you want to check out anything I've talked about today. And I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.